visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang na take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find a video, the message is also meant to find. Now let's check kung ano po yung mga nangyayari sa paligid. Ang unang nating card ay... Tingnan natin. Ang una nating card is the Two of Pentacles. So someone probably in doubt. Why? Because parang sinasabi dito, hindi mo ipinaglalaban ang relationship na ito. So, I am questioning your sincerity with regard to this connection. I am questioning the genuine, no? Parang yung genuinity ng iyong pakikipag-connect sa akin. Parang feeling ko, no? If I am in this position and I am the person who's in doubt, kasi maiisip ko, bakit hindi mo kayang ipaglaban, no? Bakit hindi mo kayang aminin ang relasyon na ito? Or bakit hindi parang hinahayaan mo lang yung ibang tao na siraan ako, parang hindi mo naman ako binibigyan ng halaga, no? That's the reason why I am in doubt. Or probably, you're not even paying attention to whatever the things that I'm saying, or you're not even exerting an effort. So, there's a lot of factors, no? The Two of Pentacles is clarified with the Queen of Pentacles and the Sun. At bakit stagnant itong situation natin? So, with that being said, tinatanong mo kung bakit stagnant yung situation because parang feeling mo itong relationship na ito is very shallow, no? Parang sinasabi mo, bakit parang hindi naman, parang magjowa lang tayo sa salita, but I never felt that the connection is getting deeper, or parang wala siyang movement, no? The Two of Swords. So, chances are medyo nagkaroon tayo ng separation dito, whether the separation is a physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, country, county, different continent, ayan. Energetic, pwedeng nakikita tayo, pero hindi na tayo ganun ka-close or hindi na tayo nag-uusap. Parang the communication, parang we're getting back to becoming a stranger. The Star and the Ten of Swords. Nawala na rin yung gana mo, no? Siguro before ikaw yung parang ang taas-taas ng tingin mo dito sa taong to, the respect is there. Pero ngayon, hindi naman sa binabastos mo siya. Nawala lang yung pagtingin na this person's gonna be serious with you, no? That this person can really give me the commitment that I am dreaming of, no? So, with the Queen of Wands, the Four of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. I think that you already mentioned something. What you mentioned here is you're not playing, no? You're not the person that this person can probably what? Just stay? Ano ko tambayan? No? If you're going to approach me and wanted to have a connection with me, might as well do it with all your might, with genuinity, with emotion, because that's very important to me. No, I want to see your efforts because what I want in this connection is commitment. I'm not playing, no. I'm also not wasting my time. With the Knight of Swords, parang nakitaan mo agad siya ng pagkakaroon ng red flag right off the bat. So, ikaw ang nagkaroon or ikaw ang nag-separate. Parang ikaw ang humingi ng break, ikaw ang humingi ng this is not for me. The Judgment and the Five of Wands. Siguro napansin mo rin magkaiba ang priorities ninyong dalawa. And I think that that is wise enough dahil yes, you have emotion, meron ka ng investment of emotion dito per person, pero wise din naman yung ginawa mo dahil are you going to stay with the person pero alam mong magkaiba ang priorities ninyo, nakikita mo yung mga differences, and you know for a fact that magkakaroon ito ng magka-clash kayo in the future. So, siguro ang ginawa mo dito, prevention is better than cure, no? Bago pa man mawalan tayo ng respeto sa isa't isa, bago pa man mas mabwisit ako or mawala talaga, no, ang respeto ko sa bilang tao, siguro hanggang dito na lang. Yun yung nangyari dito. Now, let's see some more cards with the Magician, the Four of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. Nawindang siya, no? Kasi all throughout, kala niya ganun ka-interested. Kaya medyo siguro pumasok sa ulo niya, no, yung hangin. At hindi niya inakala na magkakaroon ka ng lakas ng loob to actually dump, no, the relationship. Hindi niya kasi naiintindihan dito na you're mature enough to think about the future. At parang sinabi mo nga sa sarili mo, kung siya ay makakasama ko, tas lagi kami meron differences, walang harmony, no? Araw-araw ako may stress. Araw-araw, baka magkaroon ako ng anxiety. So, bakit ako kukuha ng batong ipupukpok sa sarili ko? Now, if you want this connection to work, then you have to change, no? Parang yun yung nasa thinking mo. And this is your reading. Nawindang lang siya sa'yo, no? Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate dito sa reading na to, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some questions, sa description box ng reading na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na po yun. So if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Siyempre, reading mo to, lalabas din ang inyong zodiac sign, if not a placement in your chart. I am seeing Taurus, Scorpio, Leo, Libra, Gemini, Sagittarius, Taurus, Aquarius, and Capricorn. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.